Hey everyone, do you have a hobby you love? What if you could make money from it? Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn your passion into income with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First things first, let's identify if your hobby has income potential.
Potential millions.
Not every hobby can be monetized, but many can. Ask yourself these questions. Is there a demand for this hobby? Are people willing to pay for products or services related to it? Can you scale it or offer it repeatedly? For example, if you love painting, can you sell your artwork or teach painting classes? If you're into photography, can you do photo shoots or sell prints online? Find the angle that makes sense for you. Next, you need to define your audience.
Audience?
Who are you creating for? Understanding your target audience is crucial because it helps you tailor your product or service to meet their needs. Are they beginners looking for tutorials? Are they enthusiasts willing to buy your products? Are they looking for unique, custom-made items? Knowing your audience will guide your marketing and sales strategy, so take the time to research and understand them. Now, let's get a bit more serious. It's time to create a business plan.
Solid business plan.
This doesn't have to be a 20-page document. Just outline the basics. What are you selling? How will you sell it? Online, in person, subscriptions, etc. What's your pricing strategy? What are your startup costs? How will you market your product or service? Having a plan will help you stay focused and give you a roadmap to follow as you grow your hobby into a business. Once you have your plan, it's time to build your brand.
And recognition.
Brand recognition.
Your brand is how people perceive your business, and it should reflect your personality and the essence of your hobby. Choose a name that resonates with your audience. Design a logo and create a consistent look across all your social media. Start building your online presence with a website or social media profiles. Remember, people buy from brands they trust, so be authentic and engage with your audience regularly. Now here's where the rubber meets the road. Start small and test your concept.
It tested great.
It tested fine.
Don't quit your day job just yet. Instead, use this phase to validate your idea. Offer your product or service to a small group or run a limited time offer. Gather feedback and tweak your offerings based on what you learn. Use this time to refine your process and ensure you're delivering value. Testing allows you to make adjustments without huge financial risks. Once you've validated your concept, it's time to monetize strategically.
Modernized? Monetized?
Depending on your hobby, there are various ways to make money. Sell products, physical goods, digital downloads, or custom orders. Offer services, coaching, consulting, or teaching. Create content, monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Diversify your income streams to maximize potential, and remember, consistency is key. As you start making money, look for ways to scale.
I hope to be scaling up as ruler of the universe.
Can you automate parts of your process, hire help, expand your product line? The goal is to grow beyond a side hustle and turn your hobby into a sustainable income stream.
And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to turning your hobby into an income. Remember, the journey won't always be easy, but with passion, planning, and persistence, you can make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on making money, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.